If you clicked on this video, it probably means that you own a Kindle but you need some help getting started. I can help you in that. Or maybe you are confused about whether you should buy a Kindle or rather which Kindle you should buy. I previously created a video on that. If you're interested, you can click the I button just right now if you're interested in that. Else, I'll leave a link in the description. I don't really want to take much of your time. So hey guys, my name is Prithviraj. I'm an electronic music producer, a part-time gamer, and I also try to make videos. I will unbox the Kindle in exactly 3 seconds. That was easy. Let's power on the device. Firstly, you will be asked to select your language. I am going to select English, of course. Next up, you have to select the region. I will be going for UK, as over here in India, we follow the English dialect of the United Kingdom. It will take a while to load up, so please be patient. Once that's done, you will be greeted up with two options. You can either set it up using the Kindle itself, but I would recommend that you set up your Kindle using your smartphone. You just need to download the Kindle app on your phone and sign into your Amazon account in that. You will get it for both Android and iPhones. Alright, so on the Kindle app on your phone, you can go to the section called More and then click on Settings. Select the option called Amazon Device Simple Setup, and yeah, you need to turn on Bluetooth on your phone. It will automatically detect your Kindle after that. I'm using the Kindle Paperwhite, and as you can see, it has recognized my device. So simply we need to hit on Get Started. It will automatically sign into our Amazon account, so make sure you have selected the right account. It will ask for your Wi-Fi details, so simply sign into your Wi-Fi network. You can do this process from your phone, hence it's much easier that way. And the setup process will be complete through your phone. Now we can do the rest of the stuff on our Kindle itself. Hit on Next, and you would be asked if you would like to create an account on Goodreads. It's basically a community for fellow readers, so you can sign up to that if you want, else you can skip it as well. I am gonna create one cause why not, and it will create an account on Goodreads with my Amazon credentials. And congrats, we have finally reached our home screen of our Kindle. Now it will basically show you all the sections, so keep hitting the next button every time. And there we have it. If you're enjoying this video so far, then I'd really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button, and I will keep bringing you more such videos on productivity and tech. You only have one physical button, which is the power button. When you tap on it, it will take your Kindle to sleep mode, and you can press it again to wake it up. Additionally, you can long press it to power it on and off. Just like any other gadget, you can simply swipe down from the top, and you get access to various settings, like you can adjust your screen brightness from here, and also turn on the blue light filter if you wanted to. You also have the toggle for switching to dark mode over here. I'll be using it on light mode for this video so that we get the essence of a real book. You can access all the settings by clicking on this button. You can click on the library tab on the bottom to find out all the books you have downloaded. If you wanted to access the web browser, just hit on the three dots over here, and from there select web browser. It's a pretty basic web browser, and I won't really recommend for anything other than basic Google searches, of course. If you click on the card button on top, then it will open up the Kindle store for you. Now, how do you actually download ebooks on your Kindle? If you're a subscriber of Amazon Prime, then you get access to many books for free. You can find them under this segment called Prime Reading. They are included with your Prime membership. Other than Prime Reading, you also have Kindle Unlimited. You get access to even more books which will be included in your subscription. So before you buy a book, check whether it's included or not. You might actually end up saving some money this way. Alright, so you can either directly buy books from your Kindle, else you can get them from your computer as well. I will show you both the ways, but let's start by directly downloading it on our Kindle. Simply search for the name of the book in the search bar in the top, and then click on it. You can read a sample of the book before you actually buy it if you wanted to. Once you have made up your mind, you can simply click on the buy button. It will also show you the price over there. Select your desired mode of payment at the checkout, and you're done. To buy books from your computer, simply go to Amazon and search up your desired book again. From there, select the one that says Kindle Edition, and you can simply buy it from there. After you buy it, it will automatically transfer it to your Kindle. It might take up to a minute to appear on your Kindle. Try searching for it if you don't find it. Else, simply open up your menu bar and hit on the sync button, and you should be able to find the book after that. Your last read book will appear down here in the center. Let me be honest, I had this issue myself at the first, but I eventually figured it out. I had a pretty hard time finding the back button actually, and then I realized you have to tap on the top section and the navigation bar will appear. Yeah, I'm a noob, I know. If you come across a word that you don't know the meaning of, you can simply long press on it and it will show you its meaning. You can additionally load up dictionaries in different languages if you wanted to, and you can also adjust the two pointers to select and highlight the text, or you can even take book notes using this. It will appear when you tap on it, so yeah, it's a really helpful feature. You can simply pinch on your Kindle to adjust the font size quickly. Also, you can hit this button to share all the notes you have taken as well as all the highlights you have made, and Amazon will basically mail that to you, and then you can note it down to your desired note-taking app or take a print of it. Totally up to you. You can swipe up from the bottom to quickly navigate between pages. So that was pretty much the basics. I have tried to keep this video as short as I can and straight to the point. If you are looking for some super effective apps for your MacBook that will help you stay productive, then click here. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you there.